Ito yung ating best-selling model house. Total lot area of 126. Floor area 130.35. 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, and provision for 2-car garage. Alright, ang ganda ng bahay natin. This is a single farwell property. Dito po sa Anyana, Altansa. If you are interested or anyone interested to check out and buy a property sa Anyana, message us today. This is the parking area that can accommodate 2 cars. Ang lapad ng ating pinaka floor layout nito. Look at that. Diba? Then the good thing is, dito sa loob ng Anyana Altansa, meron tayong simbahan, meron tayong terminal, meron tayong restaurant, coffee shop, and then access to Metro Manila plus world-class amenities. Then 24/7 security guard. Available sa bank financing for 15% down payment, payable for 18 months to pay. Imagine, para ka lang nag-uhulog ng monthly sa bangko. Then, pag buo na yung down payment with letter of guarantee from the bank, gagawin na po yung iyong dream home. Alright? So, if you want to know more, message us today on the numbers below. Thank you so much. And once again, share our video sa inyo pong immediate, extended, and large family. Eto si Sammy, guys.